Bro, if a fly loses its wings, is it now called a walk?
Doc, you gotta help me. He's got my entire family going crazy!
Would Lightning McQueen get car insurance or life insurance?
Yeah, I'd like to book my brother in for a mental rehab.
Dude, if you sweat in a sweater, does that make you the sweater?
Oh, how long? What do the bylaws say? Do you have to give him back?
What if every country has ninjas, but we only know about Japan's ninjas because they're so bad at being ninjas?
Yeah, he's calling himself woke. Pretty sure you guys have a room for people like that, right?
How come your lips don't touch when you say touch, but they do when you say separate?
All right, Doc. See you soon. Ryan, a doctor will be coming by tomorrow, because you know how you've been saying you've been having a sore throat. Just to check up on you, nothing serious. You might be gone for a while, so I'll just pack a bag for you.